Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this backlight. Let's get started. Aluminum tape, 12 volt LED strip, socket, M2 screw and 3D printed parts. I'm cutting a piece of tape after apply bulb inside for reflection. And then remove LED strip isolator after stick to bulb middle. You gonna sure that stick. After this, diffuser insert to light bulb. In here, I'm trying LED strip is working. I am passing the LED strip cable, draw the hole. And then bulb go inside to holder. Again, I am passing the LED strip cable, draw the bulb holder lower body. In here, add some solder socket pinout. I use heat shrink tube for open wire. And then I'm soldering cable to socket. Heat applying. I add some glue to fix the socket. And then close the body, but diffuser has been this side. Lastly, screw foresight. That's all. See you in next project. Watch the demonstration.